Acids are covalent compounds that ionize when dissolved in water. This means that they form two ions in solution. One of those ions is a hydrogen ion, or H+. This H+ ion is just a bare proton, and in reality it actually latches onto one of the surrounding water molecules' lone pairs and forms H3O+, or the hydronium ion. Recognizing acid formulas is pretty easy. Look for an H at the beginning of the formula. What comes after the H is what helps us decide how to name it. If there is only one element after the H, this is called a binary acid. Binary acid names always start with the hydro prefix and end with ic acid. The stem of the name comes from the element hydrogen is bonded to. For instance, HCl would be named hydro, chlor for the stem, and then ic acid, giving us hydrochloric acid. If the H is followed by a polyatomic ion, this is called a ternary acid. The acid name ending is based on the polyatomic ion's name. ATE ions form IC acids. ITE ions form OUS acids. For example, H2SO4 contains the sulfate ion, so the acid name is sulfuric acid. HClO2 contains the chlorite ion, so the acid name is chlorous acid. When writing formulas for acids, the hydro prefix is the key to determining the type. If hydro is in the name, the stem tells you what the only other element in the acid is, because hydro is only used in binary acid names. If there is no hydro, look at the acid name ending. Remember that OUS acids come from ITE ions, and IC acids come from ATE ions. Once you have the proper ion, you can determine the proper ratio of ion charges to determine the final acid formula subscripts.